And then what are the other ones that you've done na parang, uy, na people appreciated or parang bestsellers mo?
It has to be the Jisoo Life, the fan. I have it with me, andun sa bag ko, because I use it every time I go out. Even nga pag nasa loob ng bahay when I do my makeup, or kapag nag-iihaw kami. Lagi ko, sa K-barbecue, ginagamit
Oh.
ko yung electric fan para maluto agad yung food.
And it's, why is that a big boodle? Because mura lang siya?
Well, kasi it's very, marami siyang pwedeng paggamitan. Pwede mo siya gamitin sa sarili mo or pwede mo siya gamitin pag yun nga, pag nagluluto ka, basta pag nainitan ka sa labas. And it's very handy. I feel like yun yung pinaka reason why a lot of people buy it is because you could bring it anywhere. Before, nung wala pang Jisoo Life, I would bring a mini fan with me.
Right.
Yung pang emergency.
Aha.
Kapag pupunta ako sa events. Kaya tinatawanan ako ng partner ko kasi ba't ang laki daw ng electric fan. Tapos, ang init-init sa labas. But then when people see me use it, they're like, oh, that's very smart of you. Because, it's very hot.
Yeah, it is. It's been very hot lately nga eh. And I'm sure that fan, malakas siya talaga.
Yes.
Different settings and matagal yung battery life and everything. Kaya that's why it's a good fan to bring with you.
Yeah. And I
At
feel
saka
like
tahimik.
yan yung pinaka, parang one of my best performing videos on TikTok is comparing the different kinds of Jisoo Life.
Ah, okay. You mean best performing as in sales?
Both.
Oh, wow.
Even the views. And parang umabot yata ng 7 million. And,
Views?
And that's organic. That's a very successful video, especially if it's organic.